Welcome and welcome back to my channel, and let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So GELLEN decided to send me out some polishes, you guys, and these are cat eyes. So I'm so excited to swatch them and then use the cat eye setting to see how they're looking and what they give. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Y'all be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go ahead and get it started. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into it. So they sent me two different boxes and we gonna see about it. So the first color is going to be what am I saying, girl? But the first color is M204. So I'm just gonna shake this up a bit just to make sure we sliding. And let's see here. So this is like a purplish type of vibe, I think. I don't know, I can't really see. Or this looks more so silver. So I'm just applying it on the base of the nail, and it has really good coverage because usually I would do like a black base just so that I could, you know, really see the color and see how it's looking and if it's pigmented, and I think that looks really good. So now we're gonna go in with the little cat eye thing. Wow, that's beautiful. Is it do two coats? So I'm just doing this design, y'all, keeping it safe. Ooh, that's gorgeous. So I'm gonna do one more coat of it. Even though I feel like one coat is enough, I'm gonna do one more coat because I feel like I just want to make it pop and make it and really see what it's giving. So I'm gonna wait for it to cure and I'll be back. All right, y'all, but I don't know, I feel like it kind of spread it in the lamp, or maybe I'm tripping, I don't know. So I'm gonna do one more coat, y'all, just so that I could see what it's really giving. But I think one coat would be enough for sure. It's so cute. Okay, we're gonna cure one more time. Y'all, I know my eyebrows look a little harsh right now. I got my eyebrows microbladed, and it's just like, this is unreal. It's so dark right now, but I'm on like the 4th day. So speaking of 4th day, let me snap a picture for my progress. Period. So it is cured, and this is how it's looking. I think it's really pretty. So this is the color M204, and we'll top coat all of these later on. So next, you guys, so next is M174. Let's see what it's giving. Okay, this looks kind of silver. Ooh. And this is like a true silver. So I'm messing with that. Okay, so that's silver. Okay. So now that we got a decent coat on there, we're gonna go ahead and apply the cat eye to it. Let's sit for, ooh, woo! That is gorgeous. I love it. So I'm gonna cure that. I like that silver though. That's giving. So while that's curing, you guys, I'm just gonna move on to the next one because I feel like me waiting on it to cure, like, it's taking too long. So we're gonna move on to the next one and we'll just swap as we go. So we're gonna move on to the next one. This is M494. Okay, let's see what this one is hitting for. This one looks kind of dark, like a chocolate type of vibe, or just a dark silver. But this feels like really chunky, like a glitter or something like that. Like the glitter in this one is very thick. She very thick, y'all. We might be able to put this one to use. So I'm gonna do the cat eye with this as well. Do the cat eye vibe. This is not like my favorite, but I have to do a second coat to say. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the silver one, and so far this is really gorgeous. I love the silver one. It's definitely one of my faves for sure. Even though we're only on 3 out of 6, this one's gonna be a part of my favorite. Like, I know I'm gonna use this one. Okay. Okay, so I did a second coat of this. And it looks pretty much the same. It isn't bad. So I'm gonna go back with the dark one and do just one more coat. With this one, I feel like it needs another coat because that dark background is just like kind of looking splotchy. It isn't solid, if you know what I mean. So this looks better. That looks way better. So I think this one definitely needs 2 coats of polish. But this one, M174, is also super duper gorgeous. Super pretty. And the bottle has a good enough amount, I think. So yeah, period. Y'all did that. All right, y'all. So the next one is M212. Let's move on to this. Okay, y'all. So this is how the M494 looks. I think that's really nice. That's really pretty. I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but I do now. It's cute. Really cute. I think that'll be cute on some toast if someone likes black. So that was M494. Cute. Okay, so now M212. This one is giving off a purplish vibe. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. Okay, so this is like a silverish, purpley type of vibe. I don't know, y'all. I just don't know. All right, y'all, let me put this to the light. Okay. Okay, so next is M215. Okay, the only thing that I'm not really liking is that a lot of them look the same. Like, where's the variety? So that's kind of like disappointing because this looks like something I already did before. But it might not be the same. It may just look like that. So we're gonna go ahead and just use a cat eye. Make it do what it do, and make it do what it don't, and we'll see. So okay, so I'm gonna go back with the M212, and I'm gonna just do another coat of it to see if this looks a little bit more promising and prominent. Okay, we'll cure that. Okay, so this is the M215. I kind of want to just do one more coat of it because I just feel like the background isn't strong enough or pigmented enough. Like the gray kind of looks, I don't know, y'all. We're just gonna do it one more time. Just to see what it's giving, what it's talking about. Okay, I feel like this one you may have to do 3 coats because now I like this one. This is M212. And this is just 2 coats. I feel like that looks good. And I'll show you them side by side. They don't really look the same now that I'm looking at them. Like to the naked eye, they kind of look the same. But then when you put them next to one another, it's definitely not the same. So I renege, I take that back, okay? Even with the silver one, it was given that it was the same as the other silver, but it's not. This one is totally more gray. This one has like a, they're just 2 different grays, which I think both of them are cute. Okay, so this is M212, y'all. I think that's cute. Okay, and last but not least from this box, we have M343. M343, let's see how that's looking. Y'all, that's what I'm saying. All of these look kind of silverish. Maybe this is like their metallic vibe, I don't know. This silver looks like more chunkier glitter, like the darker one that has black in the background. I like this silver. It's giving like crystal. It's giving like Christmas kind of silver. So I don't mind this one. Let's see what it gives. Ooh. Oh, this one is a vibe. This one is definitely a party. I just want to push some of that over a little bit. Push it over. Push it over. That's so pretty, y'all. This is gorgeous. This one is gorgeous. I love this one. But honestly though, like looking at them, at first when you look with the naked eye, it's just like all of these are giving the same color. But then when you swatch them and do the cat eye, like all of them are different. Like this is more like a galaxy type of vibe, I think. It's like a darker version of everything. So I'm not too mad at it. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. So I'm just letting this one cure for a little bit. Probably a good like 20-30 seconds or whatever the case may be. I'm gonna go in with another coat. But so far, my favorites are like the silver vibes. All of the silver ones are like a favorite for me because you can do so much with silver. I don't do too many like black habaneros or this blue, but the silver vibes, I know that I'll have like, you know, good use for it. So we're gonna go ahead and just put the cat eye magnet on this again. This one's gorgeous. Like I love this one. It's so pigmented and just the cat eye is just giving on this one. So ooh yeah. M343 is definitely a favorite for me. I think top two for sure. Top 2, yeah. M343. So I like that one a lot. All right, y'all, so that concludes the first box. Let me kind of show you guys how it's looking. This is currently how we're looking, y'all. As you guys can see, like they look the same, but all of them are totally different. And let me add M343 in the mix. You see that? The M343 has more silver. This one has like more of like a goldish type of look. Nonetheless, these are really, really pretty. I'm gonna top coat them and then put them on the ring. But these are fire. All right, you guys, so that concludes my video. Gellin sent me out some cat eye nail polish, and if you like it, click the link down in the description below if you want to get some, and let me know in the comments which one you guys like the most. I also want some red cat eye, like a nice red shiny cherry cat eye polish. So I'm gonna see if they have that, and I'll probably do another video on that. But be sure to like, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna see you guys next time. Love y'all. Bye.